In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play split-screen games on two monitors. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a dual monitor setup, it is actually possible for you to play split-screen games where each of you will be able to have the full monitor to you. So instead of splitting one monitor into two pieces, you can use the left monitor for player 1 and the right monitor for player 2, for example. The standard way to set up split screen or co-op couch is to go into play local inside of the game that you want to play and then connect an additional controller so player 2 can join. There's no secret to this. Now, the game will not be able to automatically detect the additional monitor. So to set this up, you need to have a dedicated GPU, either AMD or Nvidia. I am not sure if this works with Intel, and you need to use one feature available on both of them. So for Nvidia, you open the Nvidia control panel, go to configure surround, and you will find the option to configure surround displays. As the name suggests, this will combine both displays into one. So essentially, it's as if you are doubling the size of your monitor. So pretend this is a very large ultra-wide monitor. So once you combine both displays in a way that you like, you will be able to apply this. You can do the same thing with AMD. So I have a dedicated AMD GPU. You go over to the settings here, click on display, and the AMD eyefinity is going to appear. So for AMD, it is eyefinity, and for Nvidia, it is surround. Just go through the quick setup, and both of your monitors will be combined into one. So you will take the width of the first monitor and essentially double it, assuming they are the same size. Once you have the new resolution set up, if you want to double check, you can go over to the Windows settings. So you right click anywhere here, go to display settings, and inside of the display settings, you will find the resolution options. You can configure them however you prefer, and once the resolution has been properly set up, you just have to open the game that you want to play. So for example, Split Fiction, and once you start split screen, it will span across both monitors. I hope I was able to help you on how to play split screen games on two monitors. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.